Morning, my dear class. How are you all of you? Hope so all are fine. So let's start subject EVS from book number 4, lesson number 4, being good. Warm up. Lesson number 4, being good. Read the words given in the flowers. When do you use these words? Hello, thank you, sorry, be polite, excuse me, please, goodbye. When do we use this? Correct. Now, good manners. Please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me are magic words. A person who uses these words is liked by everyone. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me are a magic words. These all are magic words. A person who uses these words is liked by everyone. These magic words who use and the other person like them. Understood, my dear class? Say please when you are asking for something. Whenever you are asking something, you should say please. Say thank you when you are giving something. Say thank you when you are giving something. Now look at her. Say I am sorry if you have hurt someone. Whenever you hurt someone by mistake, then you have to say sorry. Say excuse me if you want someone to give you way or when you sneeze or cough. When you sneeze and cough. Sneeze means शिंक येणे आणि तुम्हाला असा खोकला येतो तेव्हा तुम्ही काय म्हटलं पाहिजे? एक्सक्यूज मी म्हटलं पाहिजे. Some more good manners. Greet people when you meet them. Greet म्हणजे तुम्ही त्यांचं स्वागत करायचं. जर दिवस असेल तर गुड मॉर्निंग म्हणायचं, आफ्टरनून असेल तर गुड आफ्टरनून म्हणायचं, इव्हनिंग असेल तर गुड इव्हनिंग म्हणायचं. यू शुड ग्रीट people when you meet them. Wait for your turn. Whenever your turn is coming, you should have a patience to wait. That is a good thing. Speak politely. Always speak politely. Do not speak arrogantly. Listen carefully, help others, respect others. Do not interrupt when elders are talking. This is a very important. When the two peoples are talking, you should not interrupt. मध्ये मध्ये बोलायचं नाही. जेव्हा मोठे मुलं किंवा मोठे आपले घरातले मम्मी पप्पा आजी आजोबा बोलत असतात तेव्हा मध्ये तुम्ही बोलायचं नाही. Do not interrupt when the elders are talking. If we follow these good manners every day, these will become a habit. And these habits will keep us and others around us happy. Now look at here what is given in think and answer. Why do we stand up when our national anthem is being sung? This is a respect towards our nation. We got a freedom and our national flag and national anthem are our pride. That is an honor to us. We should always respect to national anthem and we should stand and sing. Now look at her. Tick the correct answer. Amit went to Shruti's birthday party. He gave her a gift. What would Shruti say to Amit? May I help you? Or thank you? What comes answer correct? Thank you. Now match the picture with the correct magic word. What is here? Say thank you when you are giving something. Yes, correct. Thank you. We say na. Say I am sorry if you have hurt someone. So what come here? Sorry. And say please when you are asking for something. So this is a task for you. You have to match this picture with the correct magic word. Activity. Take a chart paper and draw your own garden of good manners. Table manners. It is also important to be a well-mannered while eating our food. Wash your hands. Before eating anything, you should always wash your hands with a sanitizer, or you can use a soap also, soap and water, and wash your hands clean and neat. Help set the table. Napkin on a lap. Sometime what had happened, accidentally food will fall on a dress also, it become a dirty. So avoid that. We should always keep a napkin on a lap. No playing or making a noises. Whenever you are eating something, you should not play, and no making noises. Sit correctly and stay seated. Always sit correctly and stay seated. No elbow on the table. Be polite. Say please and thank you. Don't talk with your mouth full. पूर्ण तोंड भरून असं खायचं आणि बोलायचं नाही. That's what happened. Your saliva gets come out from the mouth, and it is very inconvenience to look the others, and they will feel something else about you. We should not do that. Don't talk while your mouth full. Chew your food properly, one bite 32 times. Each and every bite 32 times. You have to chew and enjoy your food properly. Chew with your mouth closed. No reaching. Clean your place and help clean the dishes. Let's recall, good manners help us to lead a happy life. Always keep in mind, use please, thank you, sorry and excuse me. It is important to have a good manners. Time to remember, greet using polite words when meeting someone. Using polite words when meeting someone. Do you like this lesson, my dear class? Now exercises. Very short answer type question. Fill in the blanks. We should speak politely. Always help others. Say sorry if you hurt someone. We should follow good manners. State whether the following statements are true or false. We should talk while eating. False. We should say sorry when we are giving something. False. We should say thank you. We should respect everyone. True. We should chew our food with our mouth open. False. Match the column. When we cup, we say excuse me. When we ask for something, we say please. When we receive a gift, we say thank you. When we meet someone, we say nice to meet you. Tick the correct answer. Anna has given a gift to Salman. What will he say? Write in the blank. This picture shows the good manners or bad manners. Good manners. You are welcome. Yes? Do it yourself. Let's us make a thank you card. You can give it to your parents, teacher or a friend. Step 1. Take a piece of paper from your sketchbook. Step 2. Fold the paper into half. Step 3. Draw a design on it using a marker, pencil, glitter, glue, etc. You can paste things such as a cloth, buttons, cardboard pieces, etc. Now step 4. Write your thank you message on the card. This is your thank you card you have to make and give it to your parents also, teacher also, or maybe your friend also. Project. Make a table in your scrapbook and write down the magic word that you use each day in a week. For example, Monday you say thank you, Tuesday what you say, Wednesday you say sorry, Thursday what you say, Friday what you say, Saturday and Sunday you say excuse me. Like this you have to make a chart and write the magic word what you use in each day in a week. Now hearts, tick the correct answer. What will you do if you are accidentally hurt someone? Say sorry. Do not walk away from there. You always say sorry if accidentally you hurt someone. Do you like this lesson, my dear class? Being good? Thank you, my dear class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.